welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my sesame cakes or sesame fritters. It is on your request. Let me take you to the ingredients, then we're gonna get started. We're gonna need some all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, baking powder, sugar, an egg, some milk powder, butter softened at room temperature, and we're gonna need some water. It is really again another simple recipe. First thing I'm gonna do is add my egg. I'm just gonna use a bowl and a whisk. That's it. And we also need some oil to fry later and some sesame seeds, and that is for later. It's gonna come back on the table. So for now, let's keep going on the dough. So just beat the egg and then add the sugar and beat. Add the butter. Okay, good enough. And my flour, salt, and baking powder. Just take a spoon and mix them all. Good enough. And then add the flour to your wet mixture and also the milk powder. This is full cream milk powder. I don't think it's gonna be okay to use skim milk, because anything when you make when it's about baking or any dessert, it's always good to use whole milk. And now we're gonna add water little by little until it's gonna form a dough. It's not gonna take too long, just until it form a dough. Okay, so I switch my hand, and so the dough is ready, and just want to show you the texture. It's so smooth. Just add a bit, not too much, of dry flour whenever you're working the dough, on your table, on a cutting board, or anything, just so it doesn't stick to your hand. And now all we have to do is create a long log, like a cylinder or cylinder. Okay, so this is about, I would say, 15 inches, just approximately. I'm not measuring this. And now let's cut this into half first, and then another half. And now I'm gonna divide this into 4, like another half, just like that. If it's not the same size, that's okay. It's all homemade. That's all we need to know. It's homemade, doesn't matter about the shape. Okay, and do the same for the rest. Okay, and now we're gonna take one by one, and we're not gonna make this a ball or anything, just like that. Okay, and my sesame is here, and my egg wash, this is just one egg and beat with 2 tablespoons of milk. So I'm gonna dip slightly my dough, my sesame cake dough, in the egg wash, and then little bit in the sesame, and repeat the same to all of them. You don't want to put too much sesame. You can just leave it like so. Don't let it dig into the sesame all the way. If you want to do a little bit, just do a little bit, just like that. It's all your choice. And then keep repeating the same. My oil is preheating on medium, and I'm gonna start frying my Gateau Zensli, my sesame fritters or sesame cakes. I'm gonna fry these in 2 batches. You don't want to put all of them, so the oil temperature gonna go down, and then your cake, your fritter is gonna absorb so much oil. Alright, it's been 2 minutes. You can see the dough has been splitting in the middle. I'm gonna start flipping this, and I want this to be a nice golden brown color. Oh, I already flipped this. Alright, this is already looking gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna give this another 2 to 3 minutes, or until nicely done. And my Gateau Zensli has been ready. I'm gonna start removing this now because it's gonna go too dark and it won't be nice. And you don't want this to be over fried as well, so it's gonna come tough. And make sure we drain the oil completely. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil or any cooking oil. And I'm gonna remove this batch and then put the second batch to fry. My fritters, my sesame fritters or Gateau Zensli is ready, nice and golden brown in color. I am actually so excited. I don't know which one is called. I'm gonna grab this one. I just want to break this and show you the middle part. Look at this. Come close. Come close. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I just want to dig into this. It is nice, soft. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk. I just want to keep eating. Have some sesame cakes, have some Gateau Zensli with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. You're good to go. Here is your weekend. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. You can see I cut these into 16 pieces, and you can, if you want to do this in the smaller, you can make it 18 to 20, and you can tell I cut some bigger, some is smaller, but that's fine. It's all handmade, it's all homemade. All matters is the taste, which I'm still biting in. To get this written recipe, click the link down below, and please give this a video a like. If you did like it, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.